Friends, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. My channel name is Harsh Chemistry Class. It's all about for chemistry. Welcome to my channel. Today we see the organic chemistry chapter or the concept or any idea of that is alkane. This is Jonathan Cladden, Nick Greaves' book. Okay, first we see alkanes. What are alkanes? Alkanes are organic compounds that consist entirely of single bonded carbon and hydrogen atoms and lack any other functional groups. Means alkanes are organic compounds that consist entirely single bonded carbon and hydrogen. Means it has carbon, between carbon and hydrogen there is a single bond or lack any other functional group. And alkanes have their general formula CnH2n plus 2. N is number of carbon and respective hydrogen. When we take n is equal to 1, and that is C1 H2 into 1 2 plus 2 4 CH4, that is methane. And then n is equal to 2, carbon 2 H2 into 2 4 plus 2 6 means C2H6, that is ethane, and so on. What we see and can be subdivided into the following three groups. Linear straight chain alkanes means it has only straight chain of carbon. Branch alkanes means isobutane. Second number carbon has one methyl group. And cycloalkanes means only ring, but ring does not have any double or triple bond. Alkanes means only they have single bond, and cycloalkane means ring type structure, but it has only single bonded alkanes, that is cycloalkanes. Three types: linear straight chain alkanes, branched alkanes, and cycloalkanes. What is alkane? Organic compound which contain carbon hydrogen single bond. See the chemical property first, that is isomerism. Alkanes with four or more carbon atoms can have more than one arrangement of atoms, so they can form structural isomers. Isomerism means they have same molecular formula but have different structural formula. Isomerism means same molecular formula and different structural formula. We see the structure, that is, for example, butane C4H10 has two possible structure. What? Straight chain alkane and branched chain alkane. N-butane is straight chain alkane and isobutane is a branched chain alkane. Straight chain butane is also called N-butane or butane, and isobutane is also called 2-methyl propane. Okay, in which primary chain of 3 carbon atoms has a 1 carbon chain branching at the central carbon. Three dimerizational representation of both structure are we see next. That is what isomerism: same molecular formula, different structural formula. There are two structures same. C4H10 is the same molecular formula but different structural formula, means they have N-butane, that is straight chain, and isobutane is center carbon has one methyl group, that is 2-methyl propane. We see there is a 4 carbon which are in straight chain. We see N-butane, C4H10 and isobutane. The second carbon has attached to carbon number 2, that is isobutane, and N-butane, that is straight chain alkane, that is the isomerism. And we see one example, that is N-butane and isobutane. What we see up to now: definition of alkane, that is carbon and hydrogen have single bond. no any other functional group, has the molecule has formula CnH2n plus 2, that is alkane, and one chemical property, that is isomerism, same molecular formula but different structural formula, that is isomerism. That is example, N-butane is a straight chain alkane and branched alkane, that is isobutane. It also known 2-methyl propane. 2-methyl propane is a IUPAC by the IUPAC nomenclature. Let's we see isomerism. Definition of alkane. Alkane only single bonded carbon and hydrogen, straight chain and branch chain, and also types straight linear chain, branched chain, and cycloalkanes. Third, cycloalkanes means they ring but they have only single bonded alkanes. Okay, that is some idea of alkane. Next we see, that is chemical property. What we see? Isomerism. Next we see physical properties, that is boiling point. When the solid boiled and at a certain temperature it boils, that point is known as boiling point. The boiling point shown are for the straight chain isomers in which there are more than one. Let's we see figure 1. Notice that the first 4 alkanes are gases at room temperature. First 4 gases means methane, ethane, propane and butane. These 4 gases are at room temperature, and solids do not start to appear until about C17H36. Means 4 alkanes are gases at room temperature. For first 4, methane, ethane, propane and butane. And first physical property, that is boiling point. Boiling point for first 4 carbon containing compound, that is C1, 2, 3, 4, that is methane, ethane, propane, butane. These are gases at room temperature, and solids do not start to appear until about C17H36. Up to C17 the solids do not start to appear, to boil. Okay, that is first physical property, that is boiling point. Figure shows normal boiling point of first 4 alkanes. Next we see chemical reactivity. Alkanes contain strong carbon-carbon single bond, that is sigma bond, and strong carbon-hydrogen bond, that is also sigma bond. The carbon-hydrogen bonds are only very slightly polar, therefore there is no portion of the molecule that carries any significant amount of positive or negative charges, which is required for other molecule to be attracted to it. It only means, simply chemical reactivity means it has no pole. Carbon which are positive, but carbon and hydrogen which not be more positive or negative charges. Therefore what we attacked on that carbon and carbon hydrogen bond, for that reason there is no portion of molecule that carries any significant amount of positive or negative charges, which is required for other molecule to be attracted to it. Chemical reactivity means alkane contains strong carbon and carbon single bond which not be broken, that is single bond. Strong, that is sigma bond, and carbon hydrogen also single bond, sigma bond, and very slightly polar. There is no positive, delta positive charge or delta negative charge, no poles. There is no dipole or no positive or no negative charges, not slightly polar, very slightly polar, and which is required for other molecules to be attracted towards it. That is the chemical reactivity. There is a slightly poles of negative and positive charges. They are all about the alkanes. Friends, are you like that video? Then see my next video on the channel, my channel Harsh Chemistry Classes. Thank you for watching and like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.